Good morning, YouTube. So next week, we're gone at Monterey Car Week, but Josh has something to say about that.
We have some cars.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, that is Josh, and we are at The Stub, which is our dealership, NG Supercars. And yes, we have some cars for you. Some are for sale, some are not, but Josh is gonna give you a quick rundown of all the cars.
That's right. So number one is a yellow 360 Spider, gated, factory gated car, 46,000 miles. This one's gonna be for sale. We have the 2011 California, 18,000 miles. That one's for sale. Then we have Trinity, as it's known.
Trinity, yes.
By its owner, is back, and we're gonna do some content installing a bunch of carbon fiber stuff on this car. And we are going to do a head-to-head video with these two cars because we've got twins here. We've got a 458 and a 488, both with very similar mods. They both have Klein exhausts. Obviously, they're both black. They're both lowered on Novatec springs. So that's gonna, and both with tunes. So that's gonna be cool. But this one's gonna be just here for some carbon fiber stuff. And then this car here is ours and it's for sale. It's a 2010 458 with 18,000 miles.
It's loaded.
Fully loaded with everything. And it's got some really good mods. It's got, you know, wheel spacers, and it's been lowered on Novatec springs. It's got carbon race buckets, front lifter, backup camera, everything. It's a nice car. And doesn't need anything.
No.
It's ready to go.
No, that thing's perfect.
It's sweet. Here we have the Dreamsicle. Everyone knows this car, so I don't really need to say anything about it. But
It's on Cars and Bids.
it's on Cars and Bids. It ends
Tuesday.
on Tuesday, which we're going to do a live stream. So there it is.
Yeah, link in the description below for the live stream.
Yeah, if you want to join us and talk about it or whatever, we're hoping it does good. We're not sure. Somebody's going to have fun with it, though. It's a good car.
Yeah.
And then we have a 2006 430 Spider, Grigio Silverstone with a red interior. It's pretty cool. It's 34,000 miles on this one. This one's for sale.
Doesn't need much.
It doesn't need much. It's got a few little 430 things, but mechanically the previous owner spent a lot of money on it, making it perfect. And then of course we have my 458 project car.
Which we need to name.
Which we need to name, so give us some suggestions.
I thought of a name. I don't know if you like this.
What's that?
Special Turd.
Special Turd. Okay. Well, if someone's got something better, we're
Or the Special Turdy.
We're open for suggestions, but there it is.
It's got to have turd in it, by the way.
Yeah.
I think all of our turd cars need to have a turd in it.
So yeah, there it is. We'll get started on that when we get back. So yeah, that's it. We got, what, 7 cars in here right now. Got a lot of work to do. If you're interested in any of these cars, let us know. They're probably not going to be listed until we get back from Car Week. So if you want to jump the gun on one of them, let us know.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to get pictures. We're leaving for Car Week tomorrow. So this video is coming out on Sunday. And so, sorry, we just didn't have time to get pictures. So if you want information about them, details, feel free to email us, sales@ngsupercars.com. We can send you emails while we're at Car Week. Obviously, if you buy one, we can't really complete a transaction until we get back from Car Week. But we could, you know, let us know if you're interested in any of them. And certainly once we get back from Car Week, that'll be the first thing we do is get pictures, get the details, and have them listed up. I think we have some of them we have pictures for, but most of them we don't. So my apologies. It's just me and Josh. Yeah. We only have so much time. And as you know, we've been working on the building, and it's just consumed all our time. And in fact, today I tried to buy another 360 for us, and I want to quickly tell you that this is why you should either hire us to help you or hire someone to do a PPI, or at least go look at the car in person before you buy it, because we were kind of given limited amount of information about this car. So I said, okay, we think we know how much we want to pay for it. I drove all the way to San Antonio over 2 hours to go take a look at it, and it was way, way, way worse than we expected. Like, horrible. It needed probably between $25,000 and $30,000 of work just before we could sell it to one of you in good conscience. Now, we thought about, hey, maybe we could just sell it as is, but honestly, it was so bad that we would have felt guilty. Like, if one of you would have bought that, got it home, and immediately something would have blown up. Anyway, it was really bad. We gave a really low offer. The guy said he had a higher offer, and I said, take it. And so we had to walk away. So that's the thing. You got to be emotionally detached enough to be able to walk away when it's not a good deal, and that was not a good deal. We did not need that car causing us headaches for the next 3 months. So again, hire us, get someone who's a pro to do a PPI, or at least at a bare minimum, go look at the car in person. It's worth every penny. So you can hire us through our website, normalguysupercar.com. There you can find information about our consultation services. So check it out. But that's it real quick. We just wanted to give you a quick update on the shop and inventory before we head out to Car Week. So any of you that are in Car Week, feel free to find us. We're going to be at the Quail. We're going to be at the Ferrari Club dinner thing. We're going to be at Exotics on Broadway. A couple other. We'll be
auction,
Bonhams.
auction,
Yeah, Mecum, Gooding. We're going to go to all the auctions. So if you run into us, say hi, shake your hand or something like that. Be nice. All right, guys, so we'll see you at Monterey. We'll see you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and that's going to do it for this video. We'll see you soon. It's going to be sweet.